OneDrive is a cloud-based file storage and sharing service that allows users to store, access, and collaborate on files from any device with an internet connection. OneDrive provides a range of collaborative features that enable users to work together on documents, spreadsheets, and other files in real time. In this article, we will explore OneDrive file collaboration and its features in detail. OneDrive collaboration features. Sharing files and folders. OneDrive allows users to share files and folders with others. Sharing can be done with anyone, including people outside your organization. When sharing files or folders, you can choose the level of permission that the recipient will have. You can grant view-only access or allow the recipient to edit the file. OneDrive also provides the option to set an expiration date for shared files or folders. Real-time collaboration. OneDrive allows multiple users to work on the same file simultaneously. Users can see changes made by others in real time, which makes collaboration more efficient. Real-time collaboration is available for Microsoft Office documents, such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Version history. OneDrive keeps track of all changes made to a file. Users can access previous versions of a file and restore them if needed. Version history is especially useful when working on a file collaboratively, as it allows users to see who made changes and when. Co-authoring. OneDrive enables multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously. Co-authoring is available for Microsoft Office documents, such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. When co-authoring a document, each user can see the changes made by others in real time. Commenting. OneDrive allows users to add comments to a file. Comments can be used to ask questions, provide feedback, or suggest changes. Comments can be added to Microsoft Office documents, PDFs, and images. How to collaborate on files using OneDrive. Share files and folders. To share a file or folder in OneDrive, right-click on the file or folder and select Share. You will be prompted to enter the email address of the recipient and select the level of permission. You can also create a link to the file or folder and share it via email, social media, or other platforms. Real-time collaboration. Real-time collaboration is available for Microsoft Office documents, such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. To collaborate on a document, open it in the online version of the application. You will see a list of users who are currently editing the document. You can make changes to the document and see changes made by others in real time. Version history. To access the version history of a file, right-click on the file and select Version History. You will see a list of all previous versions of the file. You can select a version and click Restore to revert to that version. Co-authoring. To co-author a document in OneDrive, open the document in the online version of Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You will see a list of users who are currently editing the document. You can make changes to the document and see changes made by others in real time. Commenting. To add a comment to a file in OneDrive, right-click on the file and select Comments. You can add a comment and tag other users to notify them. Users can reply to comments and have a conversation within the file. Benefits of using OneDrive for file collaboration. Improved collaboration. OneDrive enables users to work together on files in real time, which makes collaboration more efficient. Users can see changes made by others instantly, which reduces the need for back-and-forth emails. Increased productivity. OneDrive allows users to access files from any device.